What if you could hand off your entire coding project to an AI and just get a finished working application back? That's the incredible promise behind KiloCode AI, a new AI coding agent that claims to build complete software from a single prompt. But does it actually deliver on that futuristic vision, or is it just another overhyped tool? In this KiloCode AI review, we're going to dive deep into its features, put its claims to the test. KiloCode AI is an advanced AI coding agent designed to understand complex project requirements and build complete functional applications from a single description. The platform emphasizes its ability to handle the entire development process, aiming to turn your ideas into deployable code with minimal human intervention. It promises a user-friendly interface where you simply describe your project and the AI takes over, handling the planning, coding, and even debugging phases. The positive aspects highlighted include its potential to drastically accelerate development timelines, reduce the barrier to entry for non-experts, and automate tedious coding tasks, essentially acting as a tireless programming partner. However, the website's own information suggests potential negatives to consider. The success heavily relies on the user's ability to provide extremely clear and detailed instructions, meaning vague ideas might lead to unsatisfactory responses. KiloCode AI offers three main tiers. A free plan, which is open source and includes access in VS Code, JetBrains, and the CLI with community support. The Teams plan costs $29 per user per month and adds centralized billing, team management, analytics, shared nodes, and priority support. Finally, the Enterprise plan includes all Teams features plus advanced security, compliance, and dedicated support, requiring a direct contact to sales for pricing. And that's our full KiloCode AI overview. It's undoubtedly a fascinating and powerful step towards the future of automated software development, but it's not quite a magic bullet just yet. The potential for speed and efficiency is massive, yet it requires a skilled human guide to steer it correctly. Ultimately, whether it's worth it comes down to your expectations and the complexity of your work.